Hello everyone, and welcome to My Natural Hair Delight, where you can enjoy rocking your natural hair with all natural ingredients. My name is Brittany Shine, and today I'm going to infuse the rosemary hair growth oil. As you can see, my hair is not all out right now. I'm doing simple hairstyles simply because I'm having baby number 3 on the way, and so I'm trying to take it easy and not do so much with my hair. But after baby boy is born, then I will go back into my hairstyles again. I am still on the 24 natural hairstyle series. I stopped at number 17. And so I have a few more natural hairstyles to show you all, but I do want you all to stay tuned. My plan for this particular set of the rosemary hair growth oil, I'm planning to infuse it for 4 weeks. The mason jars are clean. They are freshly washed with Dawn dishwash liquid and water. And I also washed the tops and the lids individually, made sure they're completely dry so that the hair growth oil won't spoil in the water, because anytime any product is water-based, you always want to make sure that it's preserved. And if you're not adding any preservatives, do not add any water to it, okay? If you're making hair growth oil, it doesn't require a preservative. However, you want to make sure that all of your containers, whether it be a glass mason jar or a plastic container, you want to make sure that those containers are completely dry, because if they're not dry, they can easily spoil the oil, and we don't want that, okay? So we're gonna keep it safe, and we're gonna make sure that everything's dry. So I've made sure that everything is dry, clean, and ready to go, okay? So let's get the party started. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to pour all of the ingredients in the mason jar, and then I'm going to pour my oils into the mason jar. And we're just going to let it infuse. Let's do it. Carrier oils and our essential oil into the mason jar. But not least, we're going to add our essential oil, which is the peppermint essential oil. lovely, amazing Rosemary Delight Hair Growth Oil. If you would like to order your hair growth oil, you can go to my website at mynaturalhairdelights.com. I hope that you have enjoyed this video. If you have been inspired by this video in any kind of way, please give it a like, share, comment, and subscribe to My Natural Hair Delights. I am on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok, okay? So check me out there. I will talk to you all again soon. Have a blessed and wonderful day. Bye-bye.